CPS is in your life, do this before they get custody of your kids. Assign temporary guardianship. Appointment of guardian of minor without approval of court. In Nevada, you can nominate a temporary guardian for your children, and you don't have to go through the courts to do this. CPS or DFS must not have custody of your children for this to work. It would be a good idea to do this before they can take your kids. The Family Law Self-Help Center has a PDF fill label form for 6-month temporary guardianship. Link will be in the description. NRS 159.8.205 Appointment of Short-Term Guardianship for Minor Child by Parent, when authorized. Content of written instrument, term, termination. 1. Except as otherwise provided in this section or NRS 127.045, a parent, without the approval of a court, may appoint in writing a short-term guardianship for an unmarried minor child if the parent has legal custody of the minor child. 2. The appointment of a short-term guardianship is effective for a minor who is 14 years of age or older only if the minor provides written consent to the guardianship. 3. The appointment of a short-term guardian does not affect the rights of the other parent of the minor. 4. A parent shall not appoint a short-term guardian for a minor child if the minor child has another parent. A. Whose parental rights have not been terminated. B. Whose whereabouts are known, and C. Who is willing and able to make and carry out daily child care decisions concerning the minor. E. Unless the other parent of the minor child provides written consent to the appointment. 5. The written instrument appointing a short-term guardian becomes effective immediately upon execution and must include, without limitation, A. The date on which the guardian is appointed. B. The name of the parent who appointed the guardian, the name of the minor child for whom the guardian is appointed, and the name of the person who is appointed as the guardian, and C. The signature of the parent and the guardian in the presence of a notary public acknowledging the appointment of the guardian. The parent and guardian are not required to sign and acknowledge the instrument in the presence of the other. 6. The short-term guardian appointed pursuant to this section serves as guardian of the minor for 6 months, unless the written instrument appointing the guardian specifies a shorter term or specifies that the guardianship is to terminate upon the happening of an event that occurs sooner than 6 months. 7. Only one written instrument appointing a short-term guardian for the minor child may be effective at any given time. 8. The appointment of a short-term guardian pursuant to this section may be terminated by an instrument in writing signed by either parent if that parent has not been deprived of the legal custody of the minor. B. Is terminated by any order of a court of competent jurisdiction that appoints a guardian. Link to the temporary guardian form is in the description below. Thanks for watching.